Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking and some of the recipe tutorials. Now in the last video I've been showing you how to make the easy brownies, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make the chocolate chip and peanut butter muffins. First off, in this recipe we're going to sift in 300 grams of plain flour. This one is wholemeal one. Plain wholemeal flour. And also the baking powder, which is 1 tablespoon, which is 15 grams of that. So sieve both the ingredients with a sieve until it has no lumps in it. And then add 125 grams of caster sugar, and then make a well. Mix the dry ingredients together until it's all combined to make a well in the middle. Then, once you've mixed it, make a well in the middle of the mixed dry ingredients. The next step in this recipe is to, in a separate bowl, add in 2 eggs, two teaspoons of vanilla extract. This is a lemon one. $125 grams of melted butter. And 150 milliliters of milk. And then mix it until it's all combined like a liquid mixture. This is a liquid mixture that it forms with the spoon. The next thing on this recipe is to pour in the wet ingredients on the dry. And to mix both the wet and the dry to make it look like a muffin mixture. Remember not to over mix this. Mix this when there are still lumps on this on this mixture and gently do this until it forms like a muffin mixture. Next thing to add is the 125 grams of chocolate chips. The thing is to gently fold in the chocolate chips. The next thing is to put the muffin cases, the muffin mixture onto each muffin case, and you want it to be half full. What I'll put is the peanut butter, and what I'm doing is swirling it on the top of each muffin. I'll put in, I'll weigh 150 grams of peanut butter, and what I'm doing is putting a spoonful on each muffin and swirling it over the top. These are the muffins that have been topped with a peanut butter each, and this is what it looks like after swirling it. Next is to put these muffins in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the skewer comes out clean for each muffin. These are the muffins that have been baked in the oven after that for 25 minutes and has been risen like a muffin. So if you like this recipe tutorial from today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to get more recipe tutorials, and tag me on Instagram if you also like this recipe tutorial today. So in the next recipe tutorial, bye, and comment down what you want me to make in the next recipe tutorial.